I got a job at another machine shop in town, which allowed me way greater responsibilities. I was able to run the shop there. So I kind of just got immersed in quoting and just a ton of parts. I've gained a lot of more experience necessary that kind of led me to starting my own business. But I designed this bicycle pedal, and that's kind of the mainstay of kind of what 26 Products was.
Do you have the pedal with you?
Not the first one, but I do have the one where I left off.
Cool. Just hold it up to the camera like that and describe it.
So this pedal is extremely grippy. This is the main concept that I was going off of. These traction pins here are extremely sharp. They really bite into your shoe. There's a wide pedal platform, so they grip your foot really well. There's knurling here on some of the parts of the pedal body, and just really intricate machining, titanium axles, unique seals that are in it. Basically, you buy these, they're forever. Like, people that own these just have them forever.
And this is for mountain biking?
This is for mountain biking, yes.
Cool.
That's their intended use, yes.
Okay, so you were making the pedals and selling them on eBay, going to local shops and stuff, and then what happened?
Then I kind of just interest kept growing from that. I was working nonstop on the weekends and after work too, just working nonstop to basically build products. And eventually I was like, okay, something's got to change.